On this World Disability Day, I would like to say that the state government has totally neglected persons with disability in Goa. The inclusive education scheme, as well as the lift at the Institute Mineses Baganza, is pending for the last 5 years in Goa. Is pending for the last 5 years, whereas infrastructure projects in Goa, like the multi-level parking or even the Mandovi bridge, is getting completed in 2 and 3 years time. Such big projects are getting completed in 2 and 3 years time. I don't see why installation of a lift should take 5 years, or to pass an inclusive education scheme should take 5 years, when even passing of less important things is taking them a month or two. This shows the level of neglect of the disabled in Goa by the state government. We would also like to say that the office of the State Disability Commissioner is not functioning. Reservation of parking slots for persons with disability is not being implemented. The reserved seats in buses for persons with disability also is not being implemented. Government circulars with regard to transfer and organizing of programs in accessible places is also not being implemented. This shows how much the state government is neglecting persons with disability in the state. So I think it is high time that the government wakes up and does something for the persons with disability in the state. And the best way of it would be to create a separate department for the welfare of disabled persons in the state. In Goa, as per Census 2011, we have 33,000 persons with disability in Goa. The Social Welfare Department is reaching out to only 15,000 persons with disability. So this is another reason why and lots of work needs to be done in the state, whereas infrastructure, your accessibility, your employment, your education. So we are demanding that government creates a separate department for the welfare of persons with disability in the state. I would also appeal to the parents of children with disabilities to accept their children as a gift from God. Many times we see that parents are not accepting their children with disabilities.